The suspect, identified as Andre Gordon, going on a violent rampage. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dawn Timoney. The 26-year-old is in police custody tonight.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Countryman channel, the biggest YouTube channel. To some man. To them, sonny, them, him just a run from Trinidad to America, him just a run from America to Jamaica, him just a run. Away my run, them soon run up in the dark one. Countryman now go at them, the blood don't smell the what. One bag of waste man, sit down and talk. When me looking at the mirror, only thing me see a dark. Tell countryman push out the devil fuck, go at them, the blood don't smell the what. One bag of waste man, sit down and talk. When me looking at the mirror, only thing me see a dark. Yes, them jive by, to them a walk, yeah. Them not step like him paraplegic, them rather run before him step him. Good pan knee lift, can't run from the G. Remember the G swift a tall stick with a pan, look like my bucket. 357 look like a musket. For me, I've carried me a chuck and bust it.
My wonderful friends, it's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, you see the bottom feeder where I look on. Me know some of my family member them from Jamaica. You understand? And me see that story here, you know. And me never realize, say, yo, me know people will know that youth, yeah. That boy, yeah, I was straight evil bottom feeder. You understand? And me I will explain to you know when do. But you see before me do that, you know me as a man now, me like change people name. So me I go call him Bizzarro. That boy a straight blood clot Bizzarro. The act with that boy I carry out. I can't even explain it, you know. And yeah, what? Me, I go. Alright, check this out. Before I run the video, me have a big debate with a virgin. And the virgin I said, boy, him kinda understand because enough people go through this and you know, family problems, that it seemed like the youth, him did have straight family problems and issues, and he must push over the edge. Now, my brother said him kinda sympathize with the situation because him understand, but him not support it. He just have to say that. But me personally, me here say him father put him out and him girlfriend put him out. You understand? For whatever reason, I don't know. But after them put him out, things just escalate. Now, the question was me ask myself, what could have happened for push him over the edge? Now, at the time when him do this, you know, he was 26. And I think this happened last year. No more than the year before last year, but not long. And your woman don't want you. Move on. Now, your woman put you out, you got your father put you out. And you're a big man. Nobody don't owe you nothing, my youth. You understand? So just move on. But me don't know what would make a man carry this kind of level of bottom feed of hate and evil in him. Me I go play some video and make you find out what I want, and they will come back and talk about it. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
The suspect, identified as Andre Gordon, going on a violent rampage. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dawn Timoney. The 26-year-old is in police custody tonight, accused of killing 3 family members, including his 13-year-old sister. The crime spree spanning 4 locations across 2 states. It all started in Falls Township, where the shootings occurred at 2 separate homes, then a carjacking in Morrisville, the bloodshed ending in Trenton with Gordon's arrest.
Falls Township Police were dispatched to the unit block of Viewpoint Lane in Levittown, Falls Township, Bucks County. It was to investigate the report of a shooting. Preliminary investigation determined that 26-year-old Andre Gordon, driving a stolen vehicle, which was carjacked from Trenton, New Jersey, earlier in the morning, forcibly broke into the residence, after which he shot and killed his 52-year-old stepmother, Karen Gordon, and his 13-year-old sister, Kara Gordon, who lived at the residence. There were 3 other individuals at the residence, including a minor, inside the home, who were able to hide and avoid being shot by Gordon as he went through the house searching for them. Following the shootings, at approximately 9:01 a.m., Gordon drove to the unit block of Edgewood Lane, Levittown, where he forcibly broke into a residence, after which he shot and killed 25-year-old Taylor Daniel, with whom he has 2 children. Following the shooting, he fled the scene. At the time of the shooting, there were 4 other individuals present inside that home, one of which was injured after being bludgeoned by Gordon with the assault rifle. She was transported to Jefferson Forestdale campus for her injuries. At approximately 9:13 a.m., Gordon committed a carjacking at gunpoint of a 44-year-old man from Morrisville at the parking lot of the Dollar General on Bristol Pike in Morrisville. The operator of the vehicle did not suffer any injuries. Gordon is believed to currently be homeless and has ties to the Trenton area. At approximately 11:38 a.m., the Honda CR-V that was the carjacking victim's vehicle from Bucks County was located unoccupied in the 100 block of Miller Street in Trenton, New Jersey. At approximately 12:22 p.m., we received information that Gordon is currently barricaded in New Jersey with hostages. He's inside the residence on the 100 block of Phillips Street in Trenton. We are referring all information regarding that aspect of the investigation to the Trenton Police Department. At approximately 12:25 p.m., we lifted our shelter in place. We'll answer the questions that we're able to answer at this juncture, and I'll turn over some. Excuse me for 1 second. I'm going to turn it over. That's okay, Joe. I'm going to turn it over to Chief Whitney for a few additional remarks, thanking the resources, the tremendous resources that have been devoted to investigating.
Now, when you see how much thing that you they do in a less than a day, dog, the man went berserk. That's why I call him Bizzarro. Yo, let me tell you what him do. Him go and thief a man gun. When I'm father brethren them, or people will know them gun. Yard man gun him thief. Come back. Go to the yard where him family there, father, stepmother, and him little sister, and kill the blood clot stepmother and him 13-year-old sister. The father did dead and run. You understand? After that, him got Jersey and him go one that place, sorry, and kill him baby mother. And me hear say the reason why I'm not killing mother-in-law, I threw the gun run out a bullet and him used the blood clot rifle and knock out the woman. So him killed 3 and badly injured one and cut out. Now, the police them go to one house, he never did it. Them a look for him. And while them a look for him, him a walk up and down on the next street and watch the police. And it seems like the people them know it, cause a white girl did it. It seemed like she dropped the dime on him bumper clot. And the police them take him down hard. The only thing left for them do, I kill. Them need to kill him. But the police them take him down hard. Me I show you that little clip there. And then me will come back and talk about it and round it up real quick. That youth yeah, me want to know what his family could have done for him to go bizarre like this.
They arrested him on the street next to us, right near the hospital. The dude was just standing, watching the scene. Wow. It was actually kind of crazy that he wasn't even in the house.
No, that young lady right there, she know the youth. Cause she said she see him all the time. She see him walk up and down. Like I was saying, what could have happened for him to do something like that? We know that youth that him not the American no more than about 10 years. And father sent him have a better life. You understand? And this is how him pay back him father. Now, you hear the news, people them say him homeless, which, like I said, him seem like him woman threw him out. And the father put him out. My youth, you are 20 blood clot, 6, 27. You should not live at your parents' yard. You should be more independent. I'm glad when my mother did throw me out to ass clot. You understand? So, right now, I don't have no sympathy towards him. Like me say, me and a man a reason and the man a say, boy, I understand. Yo, look, enough time me feel like do enough things, you know. You understand? Enough time I feel like shoot a pussy. Bomber clot. But do I do it? Yeah? That youth there is a straight, evil, bottom feeder madman. And me not have no sympathy for him. And, you know, me have sympathy for him little sister. For him, the baby mother who him kill. Yo, the man even carry Jack, a white woman car. On a year, the district attorney lay out everything. And if he have a death penalty, that youth might get the death penalty because him kill a white girl in baby mother. You understand? Now, me gonna keep this story on my ears. What I mean on my ears, I'll keep my ears on the ground and update, you know. Cause him go court couple times and thing, but to be honest, the youth need a psychological evaluation and him better if him just plead guilty. And me know say him a go have some problems in a prison car. Me hear say him there all a prisoner go on with no fuckery. And you see, when you charge for them kind of crime, they kill your sister, baby sister, my youth. The man them a go spit in your food and all sort of fuckery. A protective custody, you have for them. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.